Welcome to my channel, welcome to my channel, welcome to my channel. This video is about cleaning the debris or oil or dirt out of locks. I use Dawn, the power wash. What I do is I take the power wash and I distribute it throughout the hair. On this video, I'm just going to show you while the client is in the chair and not at the bowl so you can see it more. So what you can do a pre-wash and wet the hair like I'm doing here and add the Dawn pre-wash to the hair and let it sit, rub it in real good and let it sit for probably about maybe 15 to 20 minutes because the oil and debris and dirt is inside of the lock, coiled inside. Okay, so this stuff is very powerful. This is 5 times the power. So I just spray throughout the locks, get it nice and saturated, and work it in at the chair for about maybe like 3 minutes and let it sit and soak, and it'll just lift all the oil and the dirt and the debris that, you know, from the gels and so forth inside the innermost part of the lock. As you can see, it penetrates fairly quickly. I just keep reapplying because this client hair shows a lot of debris and oil at the surface and I want to get it clean. So I'm adding more water in so that it could be more, so it can penetrate better by having more moisture, so to speak. So I pretty much work the water in, I work the power wash Dawn in, and just kind of do this technique over and over again until I'm satisfied. Right now I'm just not letting him sit. I'm just kind of showing you on the video how I work it in. After I work both the water in and the Dawn power wash 5 times strength, then I'll just let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And that is also depending on how much debris or dirt or oil the client has in the hair. After this, I'll just take him to the shampoo bowl and shampoo it again. And the debris and oil should kind of pop up to the surface really, really quickly.
Like it's ragu, never apart, stuck together like it's summer glue. A force to be reckoned with. Miss Windu, love the way you make your body move to the melody. How you sway on the beat, work it like a regiment. Mesmerized by the way she move them hips. Every time she gets, she put me in a trance with every kiss. This is my bliss. Let me just get my grip. Out of my mind, it's a trip. With every kiss, this is just my bliss. Let me just get my grip. Out of my mind, it's a trip. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about it.
Then off to the bowl we go to shampoo it some more. Now at the bowl, I will use the power wash again, and just to clear out any of the final oils and dirts and so forth. Then after that, I will resume with a shampoo, a soft shampoo, a moisturizing shampoo, a dandruff shampoo, or whatever shampoo I want to use on the client's hair to finish off his actual healthy treatment for his scalp and skin and so forth. Yeah, so yeah, that is basically the Dawn effect. Hey, if you're really digging this video, please like, subscribe, share, comment, tell me where you're from, and have some good positive energy. I've been thinking about you.
sauce like it's ragu. Never a bar stuck together like it's summer glue. A force to be reckoned with. Mace Windu. Love the way you make your body move to the melody. How you sway on the beat, work it like a regiment. Remember right by the way she move them hips. Every time she gets, she put me in a trance with every kiss. This my bliss. Let me just get my grip. Out of my mind, it's a trip. With every kiss, this is just my bliss. Let me just get my grip. Out of my mind, it's a trip. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about it.
Contemplating what we can be. Want to have you to myself. I don't need nobody else. Bump on the grind, let's do the wine. Hypnotized by the look in your eyes. Feel my body full of richness when you give me all your kisses. We're like the sun and the moon blend sequence. I'm mesmerized by your touch so frequent. And still for both since we first met. Love so strong, it's a light tight grip. But no destruction connected by the soul. Got my mind
Here I'm showing you that his hair has gotten a lot cleaner. I kind of filmed through halfway of the set, but his hair is a lot cleaner. The oil and debris is removed from the hair, and it is looking really, really clean, up close and personal, without all the oil and all the buildup. So stay tuned for the film with me. I'm tightening his hair and showing you how clean it is of oil and debris. Just stay tuned for his set and his double strand twist. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, tell about 1,000 friends. We appreciate you. Peace.